Hi guys, welcome back to Asian Home Kitchen. Today we're gonna make grilled salmon salad bowl. Well, it's easy and take me just 10 minutes, that's all. Alright, let's get started. First step, I'm gonna go ahead to add 1.5 tablespoon of Sriracha sauce. And then to make our dressing is creamy, so I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And I would like to add more, a pinch of onion powder, a pinch of white pepper, a pinch of salt, and one last thing is 1 teaspoon sesame oil. If you don't like sesame oil, it's fine, okay? But I think most people like it because it smells so good, right? We're gonna mix it up, and 1 minute later you will see the beautiful dressing. Alright, then set it aside. Next step, we're gonna add season on our fish. Okay, add salt on both sides of the fish. Today I would like to add only 3 spices: salt, white pepper, and onion powder. That's it. Then add white pepper on both sides, and then finally add onion powder on. For the fish, you can add any season that you like. We're not gonna serious about this, okay? Okay, after we seasoning, if you want to marinate for a while, 30 minutes, an hour, or whatever you like, you can go ahead, okay? But I would like to grill it right now. So now my pan is ready. We're gonna grill on both sides until the salmon is crispy. Yes, that's what I am looking for. You can go ahead with your own. Some people like it crispy, some they don't like it. We're not gonna serious about it. Just grill fish. Okay, well done. My fish is ready. See? Look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, serve with green vegetable. For the vegetable, you can go ahead with your favorite. Today, I would like to add green radish, a few onions, and some tomato. Add some rice, and of course put the fish on. Some cucumber, some carrot. Sprinkle with black sesame seeds, and finally add our dressing on. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. Okay, well done. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.